Hey, I have this urn here. This is by Solace Forever. They did send this to me, and when you're shopping around and looking for an urn, it is a sensitive topic, but I wanted to show you how beautiful and how handcrafted this looks. You definitely want to get something that is going to be like in terms of aesthetics, especially if this is going to be something that you're going to like set out like on a mantle somewhere. So you can store this inside of the bag that they give you. It's got a drawstring on it. So aesthetically, you can see it's got like this really glossy, high gloss finish. It's this wood grain. But what I really like on here is the inlay. And these either look like they're 3D printed or they did it like with a CNC machine. The top is going to go ahead and screw on. I just happen to have, now this is just some ashes from my fireplace. Don't worry, just from the fireplace, just to kind of give you an idea. Let's go down in there. And then this is like a really good seal. So I did want to show you the inlays on here. This is some amazing art on here. Just give you a quick look there. Same thing on the bottom here. So like I said, I think they 3D printed that, or I don't know how they do it, but man, I'm telling you, it looks really good. The bottom has that nice felt, so it's not going to scratch up whatever you're going to set it on. Got that textured inlay. Definitely something that you can be proud to set out. Things happen, and if you happen to drop the urn, you don't want it to break apart. This is solid steel, so you're not going to have that issue. So there you have it. If you're in the market for one of these, this would be a good one to pick up and check out. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.